Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to my very first video of the year 2018, which is also my very first shop date update. Hey everybody, welcome to the very first video for Jackal Woodworking. I hate that. Hey, what's going on everybody? Welcome to... Gotta start over. What's going on everybody? Welcome to my very first video of the year 2018. It is a whole 15 degrees outside on this bracing and unusual Texas winter day. So we're going to try to brave the cold here for just a second because I wanted to make my very first shop update video basically to let you guys know that I am still here. I know I haven't posted a video in a while. I'll get to that in a second. But I'm still here. I'm still in the shop. I'm still on YouTube and trying to make projects and make videos. First of all, I just wanted to talk about 2017, first year of the channel. Not a full year, but you get what I'm saying. We only produced 4 videos, which was less than I wanted, a little bit of disappointment. Yeah, my nose is running, it's cold. Only produced 4 videos, but my most viewed video was the DIY raised dog feeder. It's already got, at this point, 2,064 views, which blew away my expectations for that video, so thank you guys for watching. That really means a lot. On the other hand, my last video I posted, which was the one that I really thought was going to do better than it did, my classy oak cutting board with breadboard ends, that only came out at 131 views sitting there today, which was a little bit disappointing. I chalked that up to maybe it's just the fact that it was a pretty long video. It went pretty in-depth into how I did my cutting board. And there's also hundreds of videos from much better woodworkers than me about making really nice cutting boards and making them a lot easier than I made them. So I kind of understand, I guess, why that one didn't do as well as I wanted it to, but I'll put a link to it here on the screen somewhere. So if you'd like to go check it out, yeah, I'd really appreciate it if you could check that one out. I really liked that video. I worked really hard on that one. I like the final product, but not garnering a whole lot of attention at this point. But whatever. So speaking of that last video, that video was in September, over 4 months ago, at 4 months ago, whatever. It's been a long time, and I wanted to let you guys know that the channel is not dead. It seems like it's been in a coma, and the reason for that simply is that I just haven't had time to come out and work in the shop as much as I wanted to. This is not my full-time job. At best, currently right now, this is more of a hobby, you know? Or maybe I shouldn't say it's not a hobby, because I do try to make stuff for people and make a little bit of money. So I'm gonna, you know, it's a job, but very part-time. My main job actually is really cool because I get to work with my dad and my older brother and my younger brother, and we have a family construction business, and so that's a really cool deal. But that's what I do for work most of the time. That's how I make a living. Maybe one day I'd really like to get this to the point where I could, you know, support myself, make more of a living on this. But as it stands right now, this is very, very part-time, and I don't get to come out here as much as I would like to. But this year I'm going to try to do that more. I'm going to try to get out here and actually get projects done and get them filmed, because I've got several projects that I've done since my last video that I just didn't film because I wanted to get them done quickly because my shop time was limited. Wanted to get them done quickly, came out here, started to film them, and it just fell by the wayside. Because filming is hard. I heard another YouTuber, I think it was the Weber Workshop, said that whenever you're filming something, when you're filming yourself making something, you're making 2 things at once. The thing you're making and the video. And really, it does double your workload when you're trying to film a video of a project. So I want to get better about that, about making sure that I'm keeping my projects filmed. My new goal I'm setting for myself is to try to get a new video out at the least once a month. Do a new project once a month and get it posted. And there might be other small, if I do a little small shop project or something, I'll probably also post that. But the main goal is at least 1 video a month that I can get posted. Now, in the meantime, if you want to see more from my shop more than once a month, check out my Instagram if you haven't already done so. Like I mentioned, there's projects I've done that I haven't filmed. I'll post pictures of those on my Instagram. And I'm also going to start making stuff to sell and post those pieces on Instagram so you can see those, and if you want them, you can contact me. I'd like to get into selling more of my pieces so I can try to support myself and support this craft that I really like learning and I really like doing. So yeah, that's the shop update. The shop is still alive. As you can see, it's still in an unfinished state, but it's workable at this point. I can get in here, I can get some work done. It's hard when it gets really hot or really cold. I still need to insulate the walls and put sheathing up, but at this point it is a functioning workshop. I'm going to try to be getting out here more, getting things done quicker, getting them filmed and made into videos so that I can get them out there on YouTube so you guys can watch them. But if you're still watching, even after a 4-month hiatus, thank you for still watching. And I hope that I'll get some more videos made so you guys can watch those too. So, thanks for watching. More videos are coming soon. Have a good day, guys. Thanks.